Hey, Windows 8 Team Hacks here, and I'm just going to be doing an unboxing video of the iPad Air 2, the iPhone, and the MacBook Pro. So, I'm going to be doing the unboxing video for these three items, and I'm going to be starting the Apple product challenge tomorrow. For today, I'm going to be focusing on unboxing these and transferring all my music, movies, and things like that to this MacBook Pro. Alright, let's get started. Now, a few things I do want to note is that I did open up the iPhone already because I needed to get it ready and have it set up and working before I started the challenge. And the iPad Air I opened as well to get it set up with all my music and stuff. I haven't used them as much, maybe a day, but that's it. But I've never used the MacBook yet. So I'm gonna start off by opening the iPhone 6, then the iPad Air 2, and then the MacBook Pro. Alright. I've been waiting about a month to take this protective screen off of it. Finally. I'm gonna go out tomorrow and buy an OtterBox for this. And I believe tomorrow or sometime today, I'm gonna be doing the drop test for it. And yeah, I got the 64GB iPhone 6. Got that all done with. And then, as you see, the headphones power and the cord does power and sync it. Alright, gonna be moving on to the iPad Air now. This is an iPad Air 2, the 64GB. I got this around Boxing Day. And just the sync cord and the power block to charge it. Already got a fingerprints on it, but other than that, it's hasn't been used. Alright, moving on to the MacBook Pro now. Gonna need to grab a knife or some keys quickly. I've never had one of these devices before, but I believe this sticker here is the only one to break. Feels a lot heavier than I imagined. Looks like there's only a cleaning cloth. They have some Apple stickers as well. And then just your average power cord to charge it. Gonna power it on for the first time. Nice screen protector. Not sure what's going on here, it just looks like a white screen. Could be setting up. Oh. Got the Apple logo now. Can't tell if you guys can see that or not. It's just doing the loading of it, but yeah, I'm gonna stop the video here of the unboxing of all the Apple products I'm gonna be using for the 30-day challenge. And yeah, I'm pretty sure this MacBook Pro is just the lower end one, where it's like $1,200. I'll just take a quick look here. Yeah, it's just an i5 with 4 gigabytes of RAM and the 500 gigabytes of hard drive.
To use English for the main language, press the return key.
And yeah, that's going to be it for this video. This has been brought to you by Windows 8 TM Hacks. Like, comment, subscribe, and go ahead and share this playlist to get word out there that I'm doing the 30-day product challenge. And yeah, I'm going to be doing I want to do day-to-day updates, but I don't think I'm going to be doing that as often. But yeah, I'll do some updates where I want to make some notable things that I've noticed with the Apple products. And yeah, bye.